Okay, sir. Copy. Respect mean is you need to follow your orders. Respect to higher rank to you, sir. It's very important. I want to join this army faction because I want to help the state, and also I like the discipline of being army. You said sir and mom. 3 4 hours. AFK stand for is no activity within 5 minutes, sir. Okay, sir. Copy. No, sir. We need to inform them that they need to leave immediately in our base, sir. No, sir. You can leave. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.